He died for you, but how long has it been since you came back? Jesus Christ gave everything.
He endured pain.
He carried the cross, all to save you. He held nothing back. He did not refuse suffering because of his love for you. And yet, in the busyness of life, in worries and temptations, you slowly forgot him, forgot to pray, forgot the quiet moments, forgot the love he has always given you. How long has it been since you truly returned? How long since you opened your heart and let him in? But no matter how far you've gone, he is still waiting. No blame, no rejection, just patiently waiting for you to come back. Today, don't wait any longer. Come back to him. Whisper a prayer. Say you're sorry, because his door is always open and his love has never changed. Amen.